Good morning. How are you all doing? Are you still hanging on and in quarantine? Or is it maybe better at your hometown? Let me know, because I want to know how you are all doing. Today we are just going to have some fun. I have here 4 tiles, small ones, and I have taped the back. And I have put them on my Lazy Susan, and I wanted to try to make 4 matching coasters at once. And well, it will be fun because I have never tried this, but when you don't try, you never know. I'm not going to use a pillow paint this time. This is just paint that's mixed up the same way as my other paints. I'm not going to explain what paint I'm using. I will put it all at the end of the video. There will be a list with photos, so you know exactly what I use. So I was thinking to first put down a layer of black. I hope I have made enough. And I'm going to divide that a little over my tiles. That's a difficult word for me to pronounce. So I hope you are, if you are at home, that you are still working on your art, or just play. It doesn't matter what you do, even if you color some pictures, or maybe you are sewing or whatever. Just, I hope you have something to keep your mind off the not so fun things, because that's what we need. And although I'm using black right now, we need a little bit of color to brighten up our lives, right? We need color, we need beauty, we need humor. Because that's the way mankind survives, I think. And good food, of course. Okay, I'm going to give this a spin to divide the black a little bit. I will get at corners here already. Let me see if this works. Ooh! Okay. Okay. Talk about fun, right? Okay, let me put down a little piece of paper. Oh my gosh. Well, now you know I'm not lying, that I actually am doing this for the very first time. Oh my god. So I'm just putting down some paper towel now. And I know you're laughing out loud now. Don't do that. Don't make fun. No, just kidding. Uh-oh. I'm such a klutz. Okay. Well, we're trying this again. Oh, I'm such an idiot. So I hope you had your laugh for today. Okay, this is better. Oh my gosh, there was one going again. I need to spin. Very careful today. Oh my god. Oh. Hi honey, my hubby just walked in. There were just flying towels here.
Oh no, not again.
Okay, well, I think they are covered pretty much. So now I'm going to put down some colors. I'm going to keep it with all golden colors and a little bit of pink. But I'm starting with Firefly. And as I said, after the video, at the end, there will be a list of all things you need to do this. And I'm just going to make a puddle in the middle. And I think this is the fun of experimenting. You never know what's going to happen. Well, that was obvious, right? Here I have some interference gold. And here I have something that's called tiger eye, but I can see it's a, I'm going to thin this a little bit. Ooh. If I think that my paints that I'm using for with the bloom recipe are a little bit too thick, I just get a little bit of Jo Sonja varnish. I'm putting in a little splash. I hope you could see that. Mix it up again. Yeah, now it's better. So here we go with the tiger eye. Just doing a puddle in the middle with that. And I have here the sweet pea, which is a gorgeous pink with a violet shift. And I have no clue how this will end because I have no pillow paint, so maybe my cells won't hold up or anything. I don't know, I never tried this. But I wanted a black background and well, I don't have black pillow, so I'm going to put down a black cell activator. And I'm going to blow with my mouth this time. So I hope I'm not in your way, but and I'm going to get my straw to help this paint in the middle a little bit. But I think this looks gorgeous already. And just pray with me that it's not going to fly again, because we are going to spin now. And if one is flying beside, I don't think it will look as good. But we'll see. I'm just going to spin it very careful. Here we go. This will probably take a little bit longer. Because I need to be careful spinning. Alright? Wow, these colors are gorgeous, you guys. gorgeous. Okay, I see here a little splash of gold and there too, and I don't want that, so I'm trying to cover that with black. That worked here. Go back there. Wow, this is really pretty. And what I want to do now is I am going to pull them apart a little bit, so the paint will flow on the inner sides too. Yeah, I'm really happy with this. And now let me see how I can remove this without okay, I'm just going to get it here and pull it to the sides. Very careful. It's not as easy to pull it now because the paper towel is underneath, but yeah, that's very hard because of the paper towel. No, that's enough. There just needs to be a little bit room. There we go. That's one. The struggle is real, you guys. That's 2, 3 and 4. Okay, now let me see if I need to cover a little bit with black, because I touch it now with my gloves, so I pick up just a little. Ooh, wrong stick. I just get a little bit of black here and I will touch up where needed, where I can see. And when this is drying a little bit, I'm going to take care of the paper towel. Wow, this is gorgeous, you guys. Okay, I'm going to wash up and I'm going to give you a close-up. Okay, I'm back. So I'm showing you this with my lights on now, and I will turn my lights off and put on my flash on my phone to show you yeah, what happens, what magic happens when the right light hits it. But I think these will be gorgeous coasters. Okay, I'll be back with my flash. Here I am with my flash on. So now I can show you how gorgeous that gold is. And that sweet pea. Oh, I'm sorry. I was too close with my flash. So yeah, I love them all 4 very much. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you would like to know what I used and about coupon codes and stuff, please hang in here because I'm showing you now after this video. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time.